Over 80% of drivers have absolutely no idea these brilliant car hacks even exist. And here's the wild part. Just one of these can quietly save you thousands by stopping damage before it even starts. Most people drive their entire lives without learning any of this, and chances are you're one of them. Before you waste another dollar at the mechanic, here are 15 brilliant car hacks you don't know about. Don't skip a single one. These save serious time and money. Let's start with hack number 15. Hack number 15, cat litter for foggy car windows. Your windows keep fogging up from the inside no matter what you do. You blast the defroster, wipe the glass with your sleeve, crack the windows, and still end up driving half blind. Most drivers think it's a heater issue or bad seals, so they start pricing anti-fog sprays or expensive inspections. But the real issue is much simpler. Moisture is trapped inside your car, and there's an absurdly cheap fix. Take a clean sock or pantyhose and fill it with silica-based cat litter. Tie it off and place it on the dashboard, under a seat, or in the trunk. The cat litter pulls moisture straight out of the air before it ever reaches your glass. That fog never forms in the first place. One sock can work for weeks or even months depending on humidity. When it stops working, dump it and refill it. A single $5 bag can last an entire year. And here's the kicker. This works all year, not just winter. In summer, it reduces that sticky, damp feeling inside the cabin. In cold weather, it prevents interior frost overnight. What they don't tell you is that moisture buildup doesn't stop at fog. It leads to mold, bad smells, and long-term electrical damage. Hack number 14, Vaseline on car interior. Your interior plastics look tired, faded dash, dull door panels, center console looking chalky instead of black. Detail shops charge a fortune to restore it, and store-bought products aren't cheap either. But there's a fix already sitting in most homes. Plain petroleum jelly. Put a tiny amount on a microfiber cloth and gently wipe your plastic and vinyl surfaces. Then buff off the excess. Instantly, the color deepens, the shine comes back, and everything looks refreshed instead of worn out. A $3 jar can treat the entire interior multiple times. And here's the kicker. Vaseline doesn't just make things look good, it protects. It forms a barrier that slows UV damage and helps prevent cracking. What they don't tell you is it works on rubber door seals too, keeping them soft and leak-free. Even exterior rubber trim benefits. One simple product, endless uses. Hack number 13, magic eraser for car scuffs. Those black scuff marks make your car look abused. Door panels, seat edges, center console, all covered in streaks that won't come off. Regular cleaners just smear them around. Here's the trick most people miss. Slightly dampen a magic eraser and gently rub the scuff. It disappears. The microabrasive foam lifts the mark without harsh chemicals. It works on plastic, vinyl, leather, and even painted surfaces if you're careful. A $5 pack can clean your entire car multiple times. And here's the kicker. It works outside too. Door edge scuffs, bumper marks, black streaks from parking lot incidents. What they don't tell you is magic erasers remove a microscopic layer of material, so use light pressure and always test first. Hack number 12. Headrest for window breaking. Imagine being trapped in your car after an accident. Doors won't open, panic sets in. Punching the glass does nothing. Most drivers don't realize they already have an escape tool built into the seat. Pull the headrest completely out. Those metal prongs aren't just supports. Wedge one into the corner of a side window where the glass meets the frame. Pry outward. The tempered glass shatters instantly. That concentrated force creates a fracture point fists never can. And here's the kicker. This isn't a hack people made up online. It's a real design feature in many vehicles. What they don't tell you is this only works on side and rear windows, not the windshield. Hack number 11. Fix squeaky belts with one spray. That embarrassing squeal every time you start the car makes it sound like it's falling apart. Shops quickly recommend a new belt and hand you a $300 quote, but often the belt isn't worn, it's dry or glazed. Grab a belt dressing spray. With the engine running, spray the ribbed side of the belt. The noise disappears instantly. One can lasts years. And here's the kicker. This also tells you whether the belt truly needs replacing. If the noise stays gone, you just avoided an unnecessary repair. What they don't tell you is squeals can also come from pulleys or bearings. Hack number 9. Replace cabin air filter. Your AC smells bad. Airflow feels weak. Shops charge $50 for a service that takes 5 minutes. Open the glove box, squeeze the sides, drop it down, slide out the old filter, and put in the new one. That's it. Filters cost around $10. And here's the kicker. Many people have never changed theirs. You'll be shocked by what's inside. What they don't tell you is a clogged filter strains your AC system and hurts fuel efficiency. Hack number 8. Remove weight for fuel saving. Extra junk silently kills fuel economy. Every 100 pounds can reduce mileage by up to 2%. Clean out your trunk and back seat. Remove unused gear. People see immediate improvements. And here's the kicker. Roof racks hurt even more because of drag. What they don't tell you is extra weight also wears out brakes and suspension faster. Hack number: mix Vaseline with toothpaste for headlights. Yellow, cloudy headlights kill visibility. Mix white toothpaste with petroleum jelly, scrub in circles, rinse, and buff. The toothpaste cleans oxidation. The Vaseline seals and protects. And here's the kicker. This lasts far longer than most kits. What they don't tell you is hazy headlights can reduce light output by up to 80%. Hack number 6. Coin and door handle theft prevention. Thieves wedge a coin into your door handle so the lock fails silently. You walk away thinking it's locked. Always check handles visually and pull them after locking. And here's the kicker. Thieves rely on convenience. What they don't tell you is plastic wedges are even harder to spot. Hack number 5. Use slime to clean AC vents. Dust hides deep in vents. Press cleaning slime into the slots and pull it out. The grime comes with it. And here's the kicker. It works on buttons and cup holders too. What they don't tell you is dirty vents can grow mold. Hack number: grease car ignition lock with pencil. Sticky ignition? Skip WD-40. Rub graphite from a pencil on your key and insert it several times. Smooth as new. And here's the kicker. Graphite doesn't attract dirt. What they don't tell you is oil-based sprays make locks worse long-term. Hack number 3. Summertime steering wheel hack. Turn the wheel 180 degrees before parking. The grip stays shaded. And here's the kicker. It also extends the life of the material. What they don't tell you is heat damage adds up over time. Hack number: secret tow hook on trunk. Your tow hook is hidden with your spare tire. Screw it into the bumper port when needed. And here's the kicker. It prevents bumper damage. What they don't tell you is most drivers never use it once. Hack number: hidden conversation mirrors. Many visors hide mirrors for watching the back seat. Perfect for parents and rideshare drivers. And here's the kicker. They reduce blind spots. What they don't tell you is clip-ons work just as well. How many surprised you? Drop a comment and tell me which one you'll use first. If this saved you money or stress, hit subscribe for more straight-to-the-point car hacks. There are even more tricks mechanics never mentioned that can save you thousands. Click the next video. You'll be glad you did.